show you guys what I made. Nice. A little submachine gun. And here's the ammo. You can just pop it out. You just take another one. Why did that break? Well, that is the weakest part. Okay. And so here's the gun up close. Here's a reloading mechanism. It's not really a mechanism, but darn it. I give this one. Walk that. Okay, I'm back. I'll be there in a second. Okay. See, here it is. Watch what you can do. You just slide it out. So here's this part. It's got a little flat part in it, and on the inside, it's two little things out in there. So stick your ammo in there, and okay. I'm making that noise in my mouth by BTW. By the way, I'm not a nerd. I'm sorry. Sorry, you had to see it. Bam, son. Let's take this one for a spin. I don't know, like 2 bullets. We can reload. My life is just ruined. Okay. Okay, yeah. I just want that. I was about to look at that TV again. Unless it doesn't have the nightmare. But I'll show you it up close. I know I already did, but look. I take this out and let me show you all the separate parts. Pause. Okay, I've got all the pieces out. And I'm going to show you. Here's all the pieces. Now, here's the base gun. Oh, it's got some in it. Where does this go? Oh, yeah, there it is. So, we got this. We got the gun. So, first thing we do, put this on the gun. Get that in there. So, I just got that in there. Got that in there. So, now I got this, and put it on here. Gets around there, and this goes here. This thing goes here. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. I'm not stupid. And this little thing here, and then the ammo right in there. Now, just here's the aiming spot. Looks like I'm gonna just show you up close so you can aim. You wanna aim with that? Aim with it. Hold on. There. Oh, orange piece. So here's the aiming spot. Okay. It's here through this little hole, on here to this little orange part. So I know you always gotta aim above where your target is, and if it's showing right above your target, then you're good. Cause the bottom of this thing, not gonna work. Cause like it's not like you're aiming like through there and then you're like, I know where I'm shooting. But when you're close range, you know what you're shooting. So here's how the front handle was made. It's made with this like that, and just take this off. And